Hi Melanie and Joseph. First I just want to say huge congratulations from all of us to you on your wedding. And I just wanted to kind of go through a little tutorial about the items that you've received in your gift from us. Obviously you have everything that you need to make homemade popcorn. And all of the items have been handpicked by me because as I've gone through my process and my research, these are the items that I actually use in my own home, and I've come up with some tips and tricks to create what we feel is the best popcorn available, including movies. But it's a much healthier version for you. First we have the popcorn popper itself. This is not a whirly pop, but it's the same design, but this is a stainless steel model, so it's a safer cooking method. This is red palm oil. It's a healthy tropical oil, and you just need to be aware when you use this that it is very stainy, so if you drip or leak, try not to get it on your clothes. But it does give the popcorn an awesome yellow color like you would see at the movie theater. And you could use coconut oil instead if you decided, once you run out of red palm that you wanted to do that. This is the salt grinder, which has currently pink Himalayan salt in there, but it's refillable, so you could put any kind of coarse sea salt that you would want to in there. This is the popcorn, obviously. This is just organic popcorn that I get in bulk at the health food store, and I actually keep a half-cup measuring cup in mine just for convenience. And I'm sure the Sunspot probably has bulk foods also. And this is the bowl, stainless steel. It's the perfect size for one batch of the popcorn that comes out of here, and it's perfect for shaking it up to distribute the salt. So now that you know about the products, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I use them to make the popcorn. So now we're ready to make the popcorn, and I went ahead and added the popcorn and the oil to the pot, and you can see in there, and what it is a half a cup of popcorn to about 2 or 3 tablespoons of red palm oil. And then I'm going to close the top, and I'm going to turn the heat on a pretty high heat. I usually go 6.5 to 7 on this, and I have a glass top stove, so it could vary based on what your stove does, but you want it to be a pretty high heat. So then you just go ahead and start stirring, and this takes about 5 minutes, so I don't stir the entire time at the beginning. I go ahead and I take my salt grinder and I salt the bottom of the bowl until it's pretty evenly coated. And then that way there will be some salt already there for when I toss the popcorn. And this is just something I learned to do along the way and just help the process. So I'm going to go ahead and stir the popcorn, and then as it starts to sizzle, you want to stir the entire time from then on. And it's just about the same as you would do with microwave popcorn. You just want to listen, and when there's like a couple seconds in between pops, then you know it's done. So I'll catch you on the flip side. This is something that the kids can help with. They love to stir the popcorn, and it can be just a family activity and a good family snack. Turn the heat off. Okay, so pretty much done. Now I grab it with both hands because it is heavy, and then I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Sometimes if it doesn't want to come out, set it down real quick and give it another quick stir. Okay, and then when you do dump it all out, I do it again just to get it another quick stir and try and get the stuff that's left. I do that a few times just to make sure I get all the stuff out. And then I just set my pot down, and then I start salting. And I go through this about maybe 3 or 4 times, but it's always a matter of tasting as you go. So once I evenly salt the top, I shake it. Kind of towards myself so that it all Kind of rolls around in the salt. And I do that a couple more times. Of course, it's to your preference, whatever your taste is on how salty you like your popcorn. It may seem like I'm doing a lot of salt, but again, this is a very fine, powdery grind. So it takes more than you would think to actually coat the popcorn enough. So I'm going to taste it. A little bit more. And that's pretty much it. You just do that until you feel satisfied with the flavor. And there you have your delicious homemade popcorn that would rival any movie theater. I hope you enjoy your gift, and I hope you love it as much as I do, and I hope that you will enjoy all the popcorn that comes from it. Love you guys.